Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into a powerhouse kitchen appliance that promises to blend your culinary creations to perfection. I'm excited to share with you my detailed review of the Braun Triforce Power Blender. Let's get started. The Braun Triforce Power Blender isn't just your average blender. It's designed to tackle everything from smoothies to soups with its unique triangular jug and powerful motor. What immediately sets this blender apart is its sleek design and robust build. The triangular jug is not just a gimmick, it's engineered to ensure efficient blending without food getting stuck along the sides. Its compact size makes it suitable for most kitchen countertops, measuring just under 17 inches tall and weighing around 10 pounds. It's sturdy yet easy to move around and store. Now, let's talk performance. The Braun Triforce offers a staggering 18 preset blending options, including smoothie, soup, chop, ice crush, and more. Each preset comes with 3 texture settings, allowing you to achieve your desired consistency effortlessly. During my tests, it handled everything from kale smoothies to creamy soups and even crushed ice with ease. The hot soup mode was particularly impressive, delivering warm, flavorful soups in under 6 minutes. Additionally, the manual controls provide further customization with 10 speed settings and a pulse feature, giving you precise control over your blending. One of the standout features for me was the intuitive design that makes using this blender a breeze. The presets are clearly labeled and operate with just the touch of a button, making it accessible for all users. Cleaning up after blending can be a chore with some models, but the Braun Triforce simplifies this with its effective clean mode. Although you can't remove the blades, the dishwasher-safe jug and easy-to-clean design minimize hassle. On the positive side, the triangular jug design ensures efficient blending. The presets offer great versatility, and it's surprisingly compact for a blender of its capacity. However, it can get quite loud at higher speeds, reaching up to 105 decibels. And the inability to remove the blades might bother some users who prefer a more thorough cleaning process. Wrapping up, if you're looking to invest in a high-performance blender that can handle a variety of tasks with ease, the Braun Triforce Power Blender is definitely worth considering. Despite its price tag, which reflects its premium features, it delivers on performance and versatility. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or crushing ice, this blender excels. That's it for today's review on the Braun Triforce Power Blender. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. As always, leave your comments and questions below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with blenders like this one. Until next time, happy blending!